Rice, rice, baby. Okay, that was a bad joke. Ah! So, now that this is cooking away, we can get the rice ready because we need to add the rice in at the end. So I thought I could make my own video showing you rice. I think I've done one before. I don't remember. Let's try this again. I hate rice. Anyway, let's go ahead and get our stuff set up. Luckily for us, this is the easy part. Because all we have to do is follow the directions, I guess. I think I'll pour the water in first. And here we go. This is where the magic happens. Now at this point, it has come to a boil, so we're going to turn the temperature down lower and put our top on. Hopefully this won't like froth or anything, but we'll now set the timer for 25 minutes and let it sit. I will see you in a little bit. Ooh. Looks like rice. I guess that means we're ready for the main course again.